Dear brothers, we are going to start the Sanskrit degree first year, semester 1. From that book, we are reading Vyakaranam Bhaga. Vyakarana Bhagaha. All the lessons are over. Now we are entering into the Vyakaranam. Vyakaranam means grammar. In this grammar, Shabda Rupani. What are the Shabdas? A question is raised. That is answered. In Sanskrit, words end either with suf or suffixes or tin. Suffixes, those that end with the suffixes are called Shabdas. Those that end with suffixes are called Shabdas, and those ending with tin suffixes are called Dhatus, but that is roots. Here are Shabdas and the roots. In these Shabdas, how many varieties of Shabdas are there? Answer: based on the end syllable of a word, Shabdas are either ajantas ending with a vowel. The words ending with a vowel are called as ajantas, or halantas ending in a consonants. Here are Shabdas are two types of Shabdas are here, halantas and also consonants, vowels. Rama, Hari, Shambhu, etc. words are Ajanta words. Whereas Jalamuk, Rajan, etc. are Halanta words. Shabdas can be again common or special depending on their feminine or napumsaka linga neuter. Based on their gender, generally words denoting a man or masculine, those denoting a woman or feminine, and others are neuter. However, there are masculine words which do not denote a man but refer to a thing, animate or inanimate. For example, ghata, a pot. Ghata means a pot. A cloud, etc. Similarly, there are some feminine words which do not denote a woman, such as lata, a creeper. There are simple neuter words which, such as vanam, vanam means forest, etc. Though there are some rules to know the gender of a word, still it is only by experience that one can gain command over them. In this way, the Shabdas are mainly two kinds. Here, Halanta Shabdas and also Alanta Shabdas or Ajanta Shabdas. Ajanta Shabdas are here ended with the vowels. The Halanta Shabdas are ending with the consonants. So, these two kinds of words are here. Again, these are again, here are the common per Ajanta words. Shabdas can be again common or special depending on their feminine or napumsakalinga or neuter. Napumsakalinga means neuter, and also masculine and feminine and neuter. Three kinds here are based on their gender. Generally, words denoting a man are masculine, those denoting a woman are feminine, and others are neuter. So, the three kinds are going through the Shabdas, from the Shabdas. However, there are masculine words which do not denote a man but refer to a thing, animate or inanimate. For example, ghata, a pot. Ghata means a pot, a cloud, etc. Cloud. Similarly, there are some feminine words which do not denote a woman, such as a lata, a creeper. Lata means a creeper. There are simple neuter words such as vanam. Vanam means forest, etc. Though there are some rules to know the gender of a word, like it is only by experience that one can gain command over them. So, we are generally known that genders from our knowledge. These are the Shabdas. In Shabdas, three kinds of genders. What is Vibhakti? How many Vibhaktas are there? What is Vibhakti? By any combination, by a combination of the Pratipadika means base, and the pratyaya suffix or case ending. The cases are vibhaktas are derived for example in the first or కనపట్లేదయా. Nominative case of Rama, we have the forms Rama, Ramau and Ramaha. In the three numbers are here. In the Shabdas of Vibhaktas are divided. For example, in the first or nominative case of Rama, we have the forms Rama, Ramau and Ramaha. In the three numbers are here. By a combination of the Pratipadika, base and the Pratyaya suffix or case ending, the cases are Vibhaktas. Those are called as Vibhaktas, but they are derived. For example, in the first or nominative case of Rama, we have the forms Rama, Ramaha, Ramau, Ramaha. These are three kinds. In these numbers, three numbers. What are those numbers? Single and double and plural. Three kinds of these numbers are here in this Sanskrit. In our Telugu, two only, singular and plural only. But first in the Sanskrit, singular and double and plural. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam. Three are here in this Sanskrit. But here the Vibhaktas are ended with the suffixes. What is giving the ending? That is called Vibhakti. Okay. Here, Rama is the base of Pratipadika and Su, Au or Suf, just are the case ending with the three numbers. Su, Au or just are the case ending for the three numbers. In three numbers. What three numbers? Singular, plural, and double and plural. Dvivachana. Plural mean Dvivachana. Double mean Dvivachana. Ekavachana, Dvivachana, Bahuvachana are here. These are having Su. In the ending of the Su is their singular. Au is double. Or just is that is plural. Are the case ending for the three numbers. There are 7 vibhaktis which explain in the meaning of the Karakas. In the meaning of Karakas, the vibhaktis are explained. Another one, Sambodhana, Prathama Vibhakti is another from of Prathama Vibhakti. Vibhaktas are 7. Prathama Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Chaturthi Vibhakti, Panchami Vibhakti, Shashti Vibhakti, Saptami Vibhakti are 7. But another one is there, that is Sambodhana Vibhakti. Sambodhana Prathama Vibhakti. What is Prathama Vibhakti? There is added Sambodhana. O, Oi, Ori, O, as like we are calling. Calling words are there. That is Sambodhana. what is a number? How many numbers are there? A vachana, singular, the number for every vibhakti. Every vibhakti having the singular number. And also, 3 are there, numbers. Ekavachanam, singular number. Dvivachanam, double number. And the Bahuvachanam, plural number. 3 are here. What is a number? What is a number? How many numbers are there? A number, vachanam, singular, the number signifies the number for every bhakti. The jewel number is a special feature of Sanskrit. A jewel number is there also, Bahuvachanam. What Bahuvachanam? Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Bahuvachanam are there. The jewel number is a special feature of Sanskrit. Here are the numbers are here given. Ekavachanam, Dvivachanam, Tritiya Vachanam, Chaturdeya Vachanam. Vachanam means vibhakti is there. Prathama vibhakti, Dvitiya vibhakti, Tritiya vibhakti, Chaturdeya vibhakti, alage Panchami vibhakti, Shashti vibhakti, Saptami vibhakti. Another one is Sambodhana vibhakti is not here, but we are following that. Okay. Here, as per the numbers, Karakam, meaning Pratyayaha. Kartrukarakam, Pradhama Vachanam, Vibhakti, Pradhama Vibhakti in Pradhama Vibhakti, Karakam, Su, Au, Jas, meaning. That meaning, Pratyayam, subject or verb. Subject or verb is as Pradhama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Karmakarakam. First Kartrukarakam, next Karmakarakam. And also, As, Au, Jas. These are object of verb. Object of verb. First subject of verb. Another one, second is the object of the verb. In this excessive, nominative first. Second one is the excessive. Tritiya vibhakti, Karanakarakam, Kartrukarakam, Karmakarakam, Karanakarakam. Third one is instrumental, that is Tha, Bhavam, Bhim, Bish, Bhyam, Bish, Tha, Bhyam, Bish. That is the meaning Pratyaya, by, with, through. In meaning of that, by, with, or through, we are understanding. The Chaturdeya Vibhakti, Sampradana Karakam, He, Pyam, Bes, to, for, meaning, Pratyayam. Panchami Vibhakti, Upadana Karakam. Asi, Bhyam, Byas. Asi, Bhyam, Byas. From, than, in meaning. From, than we are using. Is better than another one. From this also we are using another one. ablative, that is Panchami Vibhakti, Shashti Vibhakti now, generative. Sheshakarakam, as, aus, am, of to, in meaning, of to. Saptami Vibhakti, that is Adhikarana Karakam, that is im, is, aus, os, sup. This is an, in, on, to, in meanings. It is a locative forms. These are the. For the examples, we are going to arrange the letters, number ending in vowels, we are going to arrange. For example, we are taking the one Shabda, that is Pumlinga Shabda. First, we are having the lingas are three. That Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga, or three lingas are there. As like that, Pradhama Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Tritiya Vibhakti. Sorry, that is not singular and plural double. Okay, three are here. Singular, double, plural. Three are here. As like Pumlingas, lingas are there three. Pumlinga, Strilinga, Napumsakalinga are there. As for the numbers ending in the vowels, Pumlinga Shabdas we are taking, we are going to arrange this as like the form of this Pattika of Vibhakti Pratyaya. Vibhakti Pratyayanam, we are adding this word Deva Shabda. Deva Shabda we are taking Deva. Deva means a god. Devaha. First, Pradhama Vibhakti Devaha. There is Visarga is there. Hello. Visarga is there. Visarga means Shabda is there. In that word, Sa is there. So, Pradhama Vibhakti, singular number, Deva, Devaha, Devau, and Au is there, second one. And just another one, third, Devam, Devaha. Devaha, plural number. Devaha, Devau, Devaha. Devam, Dvitiya Vibhakti, Devam, Devau, Devan. As like we are going to read the Shabdas. And also Tritiya Vibhakti, Devena, Devabhyam, Devaihi. Chaturthi Vibhakti, Devaya, Devabhyam, Devabhyaha. Panchami Vibhakti, Devat, Devabhyam, Devebhyaha. And also Shashti Vibhakti, Devasya, Devayoho, Devanam. Another Saptami Vibhakti, Devayoho, Deveshu, or his Saptami. Another one, Sambodhana's Pradhama Vibhakti is there. We are adding He Devana, He Deva, He Devau, He Devaha. He Deva. He means O is there. Okay? You are calling. That is. As like we are going to read these Shabdas, as like the Vibhaktis are 7 plus 1, 8 Shabdas, numbers are here. Okay? Another one, we are so many Shabdas are there here. Pumlinga Shabdas are here. Kavi Shabdaha, Kavihi Shabda is there. As like the Deva Shabda, we are reading that Kavi Shabdaha. Also, Akaranta Pumlinga Shabda is there, Devaha. Here, the Ikaranta Shabda, Kavi, end of the Shabda is there. Ikaranta Shabdaha. Ikaranta Shabda, Akaranta Shabda first, second one is the Ikaranta Shabda. And Trutiya, that is Kavihi, Kavayaha, as like we are reading that Pradhama Vibhakti. Dvitiya Vibhakti, Kavin, as like Trutiya Vibhakti, Kavina, Kavibhyam, Kavibhihi, Chaturdevi Vibhakti, Kavaye, Kavibhyam, Kavibhi, and Panchami Bhakti, Kavehe, Kavibhyam, Kavibhi, Shashti Bhakti, Kavehe, Kavyoho, Kavinam, Saptami Bhakti, Kavau, Kave, Kavishu. These are Sambodhana Vibhakti is there, Pradhama Vibhakti is there, Kavihi, He Kave, He Kave, He Kavi, He Kavayaha. As like we are reading in the Ikaranta Shabda. As like we are going to read Bhanu Shabda, Ukaranta Shabda, Ikaranta Shabda, Ukaranta Shabda, Arukaranta Shabda, Ukaranta Shabda are there. Okaranta Shabda is also there. So many Shabdas are ended with the vowels. Those words are ended with the vowels are Pumlinga Shabda Sekavachanam. Okay? Or as we are arranging as like these models. You read this Akaranta, Ikaranta Shabdas. Okay. Today.